Introduction. A. Acknowledging the common occurrence of sex dreams. Sexual dreams, often referred to as sex dreams, are a prevalent phenomenon experienced by many individuals. These dreams can be vivid and emotionally charged, evoking various sensations and emotions. They occur across diverse ages, backgrounds, and cultures, making them a common and intriguing aspect of the human dream experience. B. Highlighting the subjectivity of dream interpretation. The interpretation of dreams is an inherently subjective and personal process. Sex dreams, in particular, exemplify the unique and multifaceted nature of dream interpretation. What may be meaningful or significant to one person might hold different connotations for another. Recognizing this subjectivity is essential when exploring the fascinating realm of sex dreams and their potential significance in the broader context of the dreamer's life. Dreams and the subconscious mind. A. Exploring the idea that dreams are a reflection of the subconscious mind. Dreams have long been associated with the workings of the subconscious mind. They offer a unique window into the inner workings of our psyches, often revealing thoughts, feelings, and experiences that remain hidden during our waking hours. Understanding this connection between dreams and the subconscious mind is key to comprehending the potential significance of sex dreams. B. The role of personal experiences, emotions, and desires in dreams. Personal experiences, emotions, and desires play a central role in shaping our dreams. These elements can manifest in various forms, including sexual scenarios and encounters in sex dreams. By delving into these dream elements, we gain insight into our own thoughts, feelings, and innermost desires, all of which are intertwined with the intricate landscape of our subconscious mind. Different types of sex dreams. A. Descriptive sex dreams. Descriptive sex dreams are characterized by their vivid and detailed nature. In these dreams, individuals may experience explicit sexual scenarios, often with a high level of sensory perception, making the dream feel particularly realistic. These dreams tend to focus on the physical aspects of sexual encounters and can be quite explicit. B. Emotional sex dreams. Emotional sex dreams prioritize the emotional and psychological aspects of intimacy. In these dreams, the emphasis is on the connection, feelings, and emotional experiences associated with sex rather than the physical details. These dreams may reflect a deeper desire for emotional connection or an exploration of one's emotional life. See symbolic or metaphorical sex dreams. Symbolic or metaphorical sex dreams use sexual imagery as a symbol for something else. In these dreams, the sexual content is not meant to be taken literally but rather represents a different aspect of the dreamer's life, such as a desire for intimacy, power, or personal growth. These dreams require a more abstract interpretation, as the sexual content is a metaphor for something deeper. Descriptive sex dreams. A. Discussing sex dreams that involve recreations of past experiences. Descriptive sex dreams can sometimes involve vivid recreations of past sexual experiences. These dreams often transport individuals back to a specific encounter, bringing back sensations, emotions, and even physical details from the past. They can be remarkably realistic in their portrayal of these experiences. B. Exploring how these dreams may reflect unresolved feelings or desires. Such dreams can reflect unresolved feelings or desires related to these past experiences. They may indicate a need for closure, an unexpressed desire, or even a longing to revisit a particularly memorable encounter. Examining the emotions and sensations within these dreams can provide insights into what remains unaddressed or what the dreamer wishes to experience again. C. The importance of considering the context and emotions within the dream. Context and emotions within these dreams are crucial for interpretation. Exploring the feelings evoked during the dream and the specific details of the recreated experience can shed light on the dream's significance. It's essential to recognize that the dream may not necessarily be a literal desire to relive the past but could instead signify the presence of unmet emotional needs or unresolved matters that deserve attention and exploration. Emotional sex dreams. Addressing dreams where sex is not the primary focus, but emotions play a significant role. In emotional sex dreams, the primary focus is not the physical act of sex but the emotions and feelings associated with intimate interactions. These dreams prioritize the emotional and psychological aspects of human connection and intimacy, often delving into the complexities of human relationships. B. Interpreting the emotions experienced in the dream. Interpreting these dreams involves a closer examination of the emotions experienced within the dream. Emotions are the primary currency in these dreams, so identifying and understanding these feelings is key to deciphering the dream's meaning. It's essential to pay attention to the range of emotions, whether they are positive, negative, or mixed, and consider how they relate to the dreamer's waking life and experiences. C. Understanding how these dreams may reflect one's emotional state or relationship dynamics. Emotional sex dreams can serve as a mirror reflecting one's emotional state or relationship dynamics. They may highlight unmet emotional needs, unresolved conflicts, or deep desires for emotional connection. By analyzing these dreams in the context of one's waking life and relationships, individuals can gain valuable insights into their emotional well-being and relationship dynamics, contributing to personal growth and self-awareness. Symbolic or metaphorical sex dreams.